Hi guys, I'm Jess. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Jess. Also, welcome back. I'm 35. I'm from Melbourne. I'm a self-proclaimed makeup hoarder and proud of it. If you love anything to do with beauty, lifestyle, makeup, usually drugstore friendly, then stick around. We have a lot of fun here on my channel, at least I hope we do. But yeah, today's video I'm excited because I'm doing an unboxing. Let's get into it, shall we? The lovely people over at Cozmobox sent me their July box to unbox. How many times can I say box? That should be a drinking game. But anywho, I was really excited because they contacted me on Instagram and go, hey, we'd love to send you out this and for you to do a video on it if you could. So I'm like, yes, please. They are a luxury subscription box, an alternative to Bella Box. They are based here in Melbourne, Australia as well. So they are lovely and local and very friendly and great to work with. Their prices range from $59.95 a month, but they do go down in price if you do more than 1 month, so if you get like a package deal. And as I said, this is a luxury subscription box, so the items will be worth more than what you're paying for per month if you do it that way. So as I said, this is what the box looks like. I've already done an unboxing of this on my Instagram, so I do already know what is in it. This is the little card that comes with it, with all the information that has for the products in the box. Again, box. It says, hello beautiful, this month indulge yourself with sumptuous products and fragrances that will tantalize you, your skin and senses. So I'm excited. We're going to dive right on in. I'm going to put on my glasses because I do actually need them to see. So for July, this is the July 20 edition. You get, this is the hero product and it's meant to be a face massager. And that's what she looks like. It's very pretty and pink with the little black studs and it twirls like that. I've never used a face massager, but I know that they're all the rage in skincare at the moment. And that is housed in a little box that says Cozmobox, and it is worth $69.99, so you're already getting your money back just with the first item. Now you do get at least 1 to 2 full-size items, a couple of deluxe sample sizes, and then a couple of little samples in the box as well. This is very cool. I've heard lots of good things about this. It's a full size. It's the Original Skin Matte Moisturizer with a Willow Herb and it's by Origins. It's a full size product. Very excited to try that, as it's one that I've not tried before. And that is a 50ml tub and it retails for $58, so that's already double of what you're paying for if you do the month-to-month price. The next is a Deluxe Sample and it's by Lancome. Apparently it's a milk cleanser. I think that's a really good size to try, especially if you're not sure about like getting the full one, if you don't want to actually commit. But that one is worth $16 for the sample there, and that one is 50ml as well, so I do think that's a really good size. Next we have, where are you? It's another Lancome Deluxe Sample and it's the Hypnose Doll Eyes So Black, Dreaming of a Hypnose Doll Eyes So Black mascara, and it's 2ml and that retails for $18. I do like little mascara samples like that. The wand actually looks pretty cool. The 2 little sample products are the Flower by Kenzo perfume sample, so that looks like that. I actually love these because I love putting them in my little handbag and just having them if I need to smell nice. But we're going to have a sniff. I'll put it on the back of this one. There we are. Oh, that is actually really nice. Not too florally because I'm not a florally scent gal, but I don't know, I'm not sure of the notes on that one. Bergamot, rose, jasmine, and musk. That one is yummy, especially for winter. And then we have by Chloe, and of course that's the little vial. Ooh, I actually prefer Chloe. The writing is way too tiny for me to read. Okay, so I don't really know the notes on the Chloe one, but I will put it all in the description box for you all. So even the little perfume samples have a price. The Kenzo one is 1 ml and that's retailed value at $2. And the Chloe one is 12 ml, which is actually pretty good. And that's valued at $3.50. Yeah, that's actually not a bad value for this box if you're paying $59.95 a month. I think that's not too shabby. I think that's everything. What do you guys do with the boxes? Do you keep them or recycle them? But at least it is cardboard so that you can actually recycle, because I don't really subscribe to boxes. I've never done that before. So I'm interested in the whole subscription service culture. Let me know if you've done any Bella Box or alternative. And again, thank you to the people at Cozmobox for sending this over to me. It's been a lot of fun unboxing. And yeah, I'll link everything down below. Stay well and I'll see you guys soon.